Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Café Dulcinea is a Spanish-Filipino restaurant that is mostly known for its Spanish menu, which is located in Glorietta in the Yellow Malls. It is quite convenient for the people who live in Makati City and neighboring areas, as they are very easy to find. Dulcinea wants their visitors to be able to lift their moods while they are there while eating freshly prepared meals. Dulcinea's menu offers very affordable Spanish dishes for all Filipinos. Their breakfast menu is very popular because it is very affordable and also includes free coffee. The good thing about Dulcinea is that, even though they are known to be a Spanish restaurant, they also offer Filipino dishes and other European dishes, which provides more variety to its menu. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Have you had the chance to visit Café Dulcinea? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below, saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Thank you for watching.